If you want to enable or disable the vibrate mode on OnePlus 15R, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, open settings, then choose sound and vibration, and then in here we can, of course, go ahead and select a vibrate mode in here, or you can turn it off by switching back to the ring mode, for example. Besides that, you can also go to the control center or quick settings, and then in here we have this section which allows us to choose between different modes. This also includes the vibrate mode, as you can see over here, or you can just switch back to the ring mode in case you want to deactivate the vibrate mode. And last but not least, we also have the plus key on the left side of the phone over here, which by default is used to the mind space, to use the mind space. But we can change that and we can use it to toggle between these options. So if we go to the plus key settings in here, you should be able to choose the sound and vibration, and if you set it up, you can press and hold that button. Let me actually do so. We can press and hold it. Sorry, I also pressed the power button by accident. We can press and hold it in order to toggle between the vibrate mode, silent, and ring mode. So we can use that as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.